The dawn of an AI revolution. The world is evolving at an unprecedented pace, driven by technological advancements that are reshaping our daily lives and business landscapes. Among those at the forefront of this evolution is an innovative AI company that is designed to usher in this transformation for everyone. This organization opens doors to a multitude of opportunities, transcending traditional barriers in the tech space that often hinder individuals from pursuing their entrepreneurial dreams. Accessible innovation for all. Imagine embarking on a journey to establish your own business without having to grapple with complex coding languages, tech jargon, or exorbitant startup costs. This AI company aims to democratize access to modern entrepreneurial resources, allowing individuals of all skill levels to thrive. Whether you are a seasoned professional or someone with minimal tech experience, you can take the leap into entrepreneurship from the comfort of your home, regardless of your geographical location. With this powerful AI tools at your fingertips, the potential for creativity, growth, and scaling is unparalleled. Your journey starts now. This is more than just another trend in the tech landscape. It is a revolution that you can be a part of from its inception. The organization empowers aspiring entrepreneurs, dreamers, and those simply seeking to enhance their skills by providing the resources necessary to turn their ideas into reality. With the aid of user-friendly AI applications, creating a genuine business becomes an accessible reality, allowing individuals to focus on what truly matters, their vision and goals. As you take your first steps into this new world of opportunities, consider the resources available to assist you on your journey. Educative materials, community support, and innovative tools are all designed to enhance your entrepreneurial prowess. This AI company not only streamlines the business creation process, but also cultivates an environment where collaboration and shared knowledge thrive. Dare to dream big, for this empowered framework supports your aspirations and paves the way for success. In conclusion, the fusion of artificial intelligence and entrepreneurship is creating a landscape full of possibilities, welcoming individuals from all walks of life. With no prerequisite tech skills required, it's time to explore the potential that lies ahead. Embrace the evolution and be a part of this revolutionary movement. The future of entrepreneurship is bright and bountiful. If you would like to be notified when this company launches to the world, let us know by sending a request to contact@loikimtechnologies.com.